Hey there, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll be walking you through a really useful skill for anyone interested in technical analysis: how to find and add the CPR indicator in TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to locate, apply, and even switch between different CPR indicators to better analyze price movements and make smarter trading decisions. Ready to get started? Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up TradingView and head straight to your chart screen. Now, at the very top of your TradingView window, you'll notice a little icon that looks like stacked bars. That's the Indicators button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where TradingView keeps a huge library of technical tools you can add to your charts, almost like a toolbox for traders. Once you're in the Indicators menu, there's a search bar right at the top. Type in CPR, that stands for Central Pivot Range. As soon as you do, you'll see a list of options show up. And this is where it can get a little overwhelming, because you'll actually find several different CPR indicators created by various authors and community contributors. Each one might look a little different or have slightly different extra features, but at their core, they all mark out those important CPR levels that many traders use to spot key areas for price action. Now take a moment to scroll through the list. You might notice names like CPR with levels, weekly and monthly CPR, or maybe even classic CPR. Don't let the choices intimidate you. The popular ones are usually listed near the top, and you can also check how many likes or stars each one has if you want a quick quality check. Sometimes I suggest starting with one that has a high user rating or looks straightforward. When you find one that catches your eye, simply click on it. That's all there is to it. In a few seconds, you'll notice the CPR lines show up on your chart, overlaying nicely on your price candles. If this is your first time using CPR, you might want to pause and take a closer look at how those levels appear. The central pivot range can really help you see potential support and resistance zones in the market, especially for day trading. Think of it like having a map that marks out the most traveled roads. It gives you a quicker way to orient yourself when the markets are moving fast. But let's say the indicator you picked doesn't quite fit your style, or maybe it's a bit too busy with extra lines and settings. Don't worry at all, you're not stuck with your first pick. You can always go back to the Indicators menu, remove the current CPR from your chart, just click the little X next to its name near the top, and try a different one instead. Sometimes it can take a couple of tries to find the version that suits your trading preferences, and that's totally normal. Exploring different indicators is part of figuring out what helps you trade with confidence, so there you have it. Now you know how easy it is to find, add, and customize your CPR indicator right inside TradingView. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, or if you want to share which CPR indicator works best for you, drop a comment below. I always love hearing your experiences, and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy trading.